If you want to upload files to your Fotoware system, click on the Upload button in the top title bar. You can now either drag and drop or browse through your files by clicking here. Upload just one file or a bulk, based on your needs. Depending on how your personal Fotoware system is set up, you now have various options for adding metadata to your files when uploading. Metadata is descriptive information concerning the content and is important for your asset management as it helps users to find, manage, and use the files efficiently. Choose your archive in which the files should be added. In some cases, you only have a dedicated upload archive available. All the data already embedded in a file, like standard or manual keywords, IPTC, or EXIF information, will automatically be transferred to Fotoware when you leave the corresponding metadata field empty on upload. If you fill in the fields, the information will be overwritten. If the file does not contain keywords from before, feel free to add them manually or use existing taxonomies, from where you can add predefined terms and categories in order to ensure consistent metadata management. If a field is highlighted, it is a mandatory field in which essential metadata information is required for uploading. If you do not fill in this field, you will not be able to upload the files. Then simply click Upload, and you will find your files in no time in your selected archive. Bear in mind that archive settings may vary from one system to another, and your file's location might change dependent on your system's administrative settings. If you want to learn how to share these files with others, visit learn.fotoware.com or watch some of our other videos on different features of Fotoware.